Namaskar, this is DG NDRF SN Pradhan with an update on the cyclone Nevar situation in the evening of 25th November. As per the reports last received, the cyclone may make landfall a little later than early predicted. Earlier the prediction was just after midnight. This could be later than that and after 2 or 3 a.m. on 26th of November, which is tomorrow. The speed is going to be in the very severe cyclonic storm category, which is 130 kilometers to 145 kilometers gusting. So the preparations are accordingly made. The NDRF teams have, in coordination with the state authorities, started working on the ground for the last 48 hours. And as per reports last received, which is very recently, more than 1 lakh population have been evacuated across Tamil Nadu by the combination of state authorities and the central agencies like NDRF. And in Pondicherry, more than 1,000 to 2,000 have been evacuated, which is a good sign because that is a preventive action that is required. As far as the coordination is concerned, there is a perfect coordination between the state and the central authorities and monitoring also. The Cabinet Secretary himself, along with the Home Secretary of Government of India, are monitoring and they are taking updates from us. On the ground, the State Emergency Operations Center is manned in Tamil Nadu, and the NDRF Commandant Rekha Nambiar is sitting there right from morning, monitoring the situation constantly. We hope that with all the preparations on ground and with all the evacuations that have taken place and precautionary measures, we should be able to tide over the worst challenge that is put up by the cyclone. And in the post-cyclone time, we have readied cutters, other equipment, boats, etc. to be able to tackle the situation post-cyclone. We will be updating as the situation develops. Jai Hind.